Hey everybody, in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the 2-pack of rechargeable hand warmers from the company Tomus-UNI. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, how does it work, so on and so forth. Hopefully you're going to be able to see this okay. Now, truth be told, I've already taken the plastic off. When I got this in, it was sealed in plastic, and the hand warmers were individually sealed as well. But I decided to spare you the agony of watching me open it, so I've gone ahead and done some of that. Let's take a look at everything we get. As I mentioned before, this is a twin pack, so you get 2 hand warmers. We'll come back and look at these in a second. Quick look at them. You get a soft carrying case, as well as 2 optional lanyards that you can use if you wanted to. You can hook these up, basically keep it to where you can carry them around your wrist, so on and so forth, or you can choose not to use them. The instruction manual, it's going to be really pretty simple. I'll try and walk you through most of what you need to know on it. And then 2 Type-C charging cables. So you have a charging cable for each hand warmer. And they're Type-C, which is great because most of the electronics are going to Type-C. So if nothing else, you ended up with 2 additional Type-C charging cables. Now let's talk about the hand warmer. So if you look at the bottom of each one, you're going to have an input for your Type-C charging cable, and then you're going to have an output for USB. So what's great about these is you can charge them, and not only can you charge them, you can plug in a USB cable and charge another device with the hand warmer. Each hand warmer has its own power controls. Basically, when you want to power them, you're going to press and hold these top buttons here. So I'm going to press and hold. They basically light up. Green is going to be the high setting. So it's going to take a couple seconds. You'll notice that they're blinking because basically what it's telling you is that they're warming up. Once they get fully warm, they'll stop blinking and they'll just stay green. And I can feel them warming my hand. You'll notice there's no sound at all. So when these things turn on, there's other hand warmers out there that make a little bit of a noise whenever they're warming. These are totally quiet. So if you're looking to use them, you know, on the deer stand or something like that, you're out hunting, duck hunting or something, you don't want any noise, these are perfect. If you want to put it to the low setting instead of high, if it gets too hot for you, you simply press the top button and it'll go to a blue. You'll notice this one's blinking blue, this one's blinking green. Green is going to be the high setting, blue is going to be the low setting. And then last but not least, when you're ready to turn them off, you'll just simply press and hold. Again, press and hold. There is a red indicator on here as well. The only time you'll see red is when you basically need to charge the hand warmers. Anyway, pretty cool. Nice and small, 2-pack. That's a quick unboxing. I hope the video helps.